Welcome to another episode of AgTech Digest, your go-to source for the latest in agricultural technology. In today's episode, we're diving into the latest developments shaping the future of agriculture. We'll explore significant venture funding rounds and autonomous vehicle innovations, examine rural fintech platforms and agricultural intelligence systems, and look at strategic partnerships across biologicals and crop protection. We'll also cover student scholarship programs and manufacturing expansions, alongside development bank initiatives and carbon removal technologies. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. In our latest AgTech Intelligence Dashboard Snapshot, recent AgTech launches show accelerating momentum in automation, AI-powered precision, and connected field operations, with Agritechnica 2025 acting as a major showcase for next-generation innovations. Case IH unveiled upgraded tractors, advanced sprayer platforms, and a breakthrough AI-driven parts search tool that allows operators to identify components instantly via photo recognition. New Holland added further weight to this trend with premium specialty tractors, its autonomous R4 robot series. Upgraded CX-PLMI combines with enhanced digital integration, and its own AI visual parts search feature on My CNH store. FieldBee's Vision auto steering system and CNH's Fleet Pro aftermarket line also debuted at the show, reinforcing Agritechnica's role as a launchpad for increasingly intelligent, interconnected equipment ecosystems. Across the broader market, innovation continues to accelerate in biological inputs, drones, and digital platforms. Pivot Bio, Corteva, and Camine are delivering new microbial and nutrient efficiency solutions, while DJI and Hylio expand their high-capacity drone fleets for spraying and field monitoring. Connectivity and data integration remain central themes, highlighted by EX2 Technologies' new wireless network, covering 160,000 acres of farmland, and Syngenta's open CropWise platform. These combined advances, show floor breakthroughs plus global product launches, reflect the industry's push towards smarter, automated, and seamlessly connected farming. In today's main feature, AgTech, Oyster Bay Venture Capital has closed its second fund above €100 million to back early-stage solutions across the food value chain. The fund builds on its top decile first fund, with investments including Goodbits, Nucoco, Arda Biomaterials, and Seedalive GmbH. Moving forward, Atrium Agri has concluded its partnership with VEC Advice Group, returning full ownership to its founders. The separation supports VEC's independent advisory focus in greenhouse horticulture, while allowing continued collaboration on joint client projects. Additionally, Voltrac secured €7 million in seed funding, led by Extantia, to scale production of its autonomous Thor UGV to 100 units per year by 2026. The vehicle features 70% fewer components and enables one operator to manage multiple units, with additional testing planned in logistics applications. Furthermore, Tractor Junction raised $22.6 million, led by Astenor, to grow its rural vehicle marketplace and finance services. The platform has seen 13 times revenue growth, and its fintech arm has issued over $180 million in loans to rural customers. Moreover, Series AI closed a $13 million round led by Remus Capital to expand its data platform, covering 40 crops and 17 billion measurements. The funding supports development of an intelligence layer for agribusiness, with new board participation from Remus and AI agent Arista. Turning to plant science, Pivot Bio introduced Proven G3 Dry for corn and Cert-N Dry for cotton, delivering nitrogen-fixing microbes at planting. Early data shows consistent yield gains and up to 20% nitrogen replacement, supported by a new performance data hub, ProVan-It. Transitioning to partnerships, Amoeba and Syngenta are co-developing a biofungicide based on Willaertia magna lysate to target wheat diseases in the EU and UK. The active substance received EU approval in 2025, with full product authorizations and a distribution agreement expected by 2026. Simultaneously, Valent Biosciences has partnered with Cepasa to bring the sweet-sea biostimulant to U.S. specialty crop growers. The collaboration supports Valent's expanding biologicals portfolio and aligns with rising demand for sustainable, science-driven crop inputs. On another front, Biocentis secured $19,000 in seed funding and a welcome grant to scale its genome-engineered AI-enabled pest control technology. The investment will support field trials for mosquito and fruit fly solutions across the U.S., Brazil, and additional markets. Finally, FA Bio and Bayer, co-sponsored by EIT Food, have initiated a proof-of-concept program to develop fungal bioinsecticides targeting cabbage stem flea beetle. The effort will validate soil-native fungal candidates and application methods for regenerative crop protection. An update from the CEA informs us that Indoor AgCon and Solemn Technologies have reopened the Solemn Student Scholarship for 2026, offering a fully funded trip to the Las Vegas Conference for doctoral students in controlled environment agriculture. The program covers travel, lodging, per diem, and conference access, with applications open in the U.S. and Canada until December 19, 2025. Concurrently, UBuyQD has obtained $6 million in debt financing from Silicon Valley Bank to scale its manufacturing and infrastructure for agricultural and solar applications. The agreement follows its $20 million Series B round and includes the appointment of Tony Beams as CFO to support continued growth and commercialization. And finally, in other news, the African Development Bank approved $310 million for First Rand Bank to increase financing for MSMEs, with over one-third earmarked for women-led and agricultural enterprises. The package includes MSME, gender-focused and concessional credit lines, along with technical assistance to improve financial inclusion and enterprise bankability. Shifting focus, Flowcean has expanded its Series A round to $22.5 million, adding Xylem Inc. as a new strategic investor. Funding will support the launch of Flowcean 1, the first commercial subsea desalination plant set to begin operating in 2026. The company signed an agreement with Alver Municipality to explore integrating Flowcean's desalinated water into local industrial and municipal systems. Meanwhile, Verde Agritech has signed an exclusive agreement with Yundu Carbon to develop and commercialize carbon removal credits through enhanced rock weathering in Brazil. The partnership leverages Verde's glauconitic siltstone and agricultural operations with Yundu's ERW measurement and verification expertise. The collaboration could enable the removal of hundreds of thousands of tons of carbon dioxide. On the forestry front, Rhizocor raised £4.5 million to expand production of its fungal-based forestry technology. The round was led by the First 30, with participation from Scottish Enterprise and existing customer, the Grosvenor Estate. The company's rhizo pellets have delivered significant improvements in tree growth and survival rates. Lastly, Chrysalabs has been officially validated by Bureau Veritas North America as compliant with Vera's VM0042 v2.1 methodology. The validation confirms that Chrysalabs' proximal sensing approach meets international standards for soil organic carbon measurement. This milestone enables lower-cost, scalable, Vera-aligned soil carbon data for carbon project developers. Looking ahead to upcoming industry events, mark your calendars for World Agritech Innovation Summit Dubai from December 8th to 9th, 2025 in Dubai. Following that, Agri-Expo International Exhibition and Conference for Agriculture Supplies will take place in 2025, specific dates to be announced. Then we have Indoor AgCon from February 11th to 12th, 2026 in Las Vegas, USA. That wraps up today's episode of AgTech Digest. We explored the latest developments in agricultural technology, from venture capital investments and autonomous vehicle innovations to nitrogen-fixing products and biofungicide partnerships, alongside student scholarships and subsea desalination projects, it's clear that the AgTech sector is making strides in sustainability and innovation. With significant funding rounds totaling over $220 million and impactful partnerships across biologicals, crop protection, and carbon removal, the future of agriculture is shaping up to be smarter and more sustainable than ever before. Thanks for joining me. I'm Anna. Signing off. Stay inspired and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.